So today I'm gonna finish my cheesecake with kataifi and pistachio ganache cream cheese. Turn on the heat here. This one, remember the kataifi that I fried, and I'm gonna coat it with pistachio. So I'm using this pistachio cream and butter. Gonna put it in here and melt together. So sticky. I think I'm gonna need this. I'm gonna melt it, and once it melts, I'm gonna put the kataifi. 200 grams of pistachio cream and 70 grams of butter. Okay, I'm gonna get all of it. So this is spatula is perfect. You really can scoop all of the pistachio cream. By the way, have a Merry Christmas to all of you that is watching me right now. Today is December 24 here in Spain, but I know in the Philippines it's already in the afternoon. I think it's 6 o'clock p.m. in the Philippines now because we have 6 hours difference. So melt this. I just use the low heat because I just need to melt this. I don't want to burn it. Now you see it's starting to melt. I'm gonna try if this is sweet. Yeah, if it is not sweet, you can add a little bit of sugar. But this is alright. Okay, nearly there. So this is my gift for Christmas. And how about you? You can comment in my comment section. What is your gift for your loved ones, friends? So mine is this. Dubai, because I cannot go to Dubai. And I noticed in a supermarket here, the Dubai chocolate is very expensive, huh? So I'm a cocinera. I'm a chef. I can do it. So now I'm doing my own version. I also did this. You can buy ready this one. Just gonna try it, but I do it everything. I prepare everything. Now it's a little bit, you see, a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna set this aside. I'm gonna get my cheesecake. So these are my cheesecake that I prepared yesterday. There's a crack, that's fine. I have a lot. So another one. This one is perfect, you see. There's no crack in it. And I have this one, the small, for my friends. So I have 3. Now I'm gonna turn off the heat. And then I'm gonna pour this. Mix it until well coated. I'm gonna use the big spatula. Here we go. Now it's well coated. I'm gonna try. Crispy. Now the small one, I'm gonna put in here because I don't want to give the baking pan. So here. So the small one, before I put this on top, I have it here. Okay. Let's remove this. So that's why I put this. Easy to handle. So I'm gonna scrape the side, loosen it. And then, oops. See? Then I can easily move. But this is alright. It's set up very nice, you see? Then I'm gonna pour it in here, put it in here. And now, so I have 2 there. Loosen it first. Then open it. As you can see, this one is nice also. No crack. Okay, there we go. And another one, another last one. Okay, perfect. Okay, you see they're all the same, yeah? Perfect. Put it in the center there. And for this one, I think I'm gonna put on top of it. Not much. You see? And there. I don't think that this is enough for this. I'm gonna cook another, not enough. I'm gonna try to distribute this for all of them. Yeah. And then I'm gonna cover this with chocolate ganache. I think that's fine. I'm not gonna put too much. And then I'm gonna divide this for the two. So perfect. Okay. Oh, nice. As you can see. Okay, I'm gonna use a spoon eh. I'm having hard them already. Okay. Spread it. Oh, nice, no? Let me try it. This cheesecake has one. Okay, that's it. That's enough. Also, I don't need to cook enough. Now I'm gonna make the ganache. See? Now I'm making the ganache. Here's the water waiting to boil. Here. And then the chocolate. I use milk chocolate. Oh look, there's a recipe here. Very nice, huh? I'm gonna keep that. So, this is the chocolate here. And one packet is 170. So just put it in here. Like that. Or easy to melt, dissolve, or easy to melt when it is in small pieces. So this chocolate is 170 grams. So I'm gonna use 170 grams also of the cream, the heavy cream. So here in Spain, the equivalent of the heavy cream, this is this nata montar. Let's wait till it gets, and then add the nata, 170 also. Gonna put this in the fridge. Set this aside. And, okay, because the water is not yet boiling. Oh no, it's nearly boiling. Okay. In a double boiler, or if you have a microwave that I prepare here, you know. So these are the stuff that we are going to cover. You see this one, the same as this, but I didn't put any of the kataifi. I'm just gonna pour the chocolate on top of it. Guys, if you like my video, please like it. And if you don't like it, just click the thumbs up, thumbs down, and comment why you don't like my video, so I can improve myself. And then, if you are new here, subscribe. And don't forget the notification bell, because it will update you once I have a new videos. And also to my subscribers that are still there, thank you very much. Please stay with me. Thank you, thank you. Don't leave me, please. Okay, now it's starting to melt. Okay. There you go. Okay. So you can see it, how I prepare it. There is no cut in here, so you can really see what am I doing. Now I have time to cook, you know. You know why? Because I don't have a job anymore. The company that I'm working, they just closed. And they didn't even say in advance. I got to work that morning and I noticed the tables are not set up. So I wonder, maybe no, my boss didn't come. So I messaged him if the alarm is on and off, or on or off, because I'm waiting outside. So he called me and then saying, did I not receive a message from him last night? I said no, because he messaged everybody aside from me. Maybe he forgot me about he closed like November 30. after everyone finished working, he sent a message to everybody aside from me, huh? So I just found out the next morning. He says he's not earning. Fair enough. If it is not earning, don't just say like, if even if you are in a bankruptcy, he should not let us work. So I'm gonna turn this off. So now, and no warning, we employee, if we did that, we will not receive our salary. But luckily, the salary for November, he gave it. So this is done. Just don't forget this hog is hot. Now, the good thing here in Spain, if you work a long time, you can get a paro. Paro means help from the government. For me, I worked almost 9 years, so I can receive a paro until if I want to use all of it, because there's an equivalent. I don't know how's the calculation, but if for example, I didn't use all of it, because when I've been to the paro, let it cool down a little bit before we pour it in here, and I have accumulated 20 months. So it's up to me if I want to use all of it, or I'll return back to work. But I think I'm not gonna use all of it. Now it's winter, it's alright. I'm not working at the moment. I'm gonna relax. But in summertime, for sure, there's a lot of work. You can easily find a work here, especially you're a chef. Lack of chef here, really. People that working in the kitchen is in need. Okay, so I'm gonna cool it down a little bit. So hot pa. This one I'm gonna move this aside. Another one accident in the kitchen. Clean here. So I'm not worried. But the thing is, what I miss because of what happened, because here, if you also work for a long time, you will receive a piniquito, or in English, that is the separation pay, because he's the one that closed. We are not resign, no, we are not resigning. He is the one that closed the restaurant, or his company. So he need to pay us our piniquito or separation pay. But because he ran away, and we don't have it. So what we can do is file a case to receive because here, if your employer pay for this government Pugasa, when I start this Pugasa, every time we have a salary, my employer cut some of it for that, for the insurance, something for the salary insurance, yan, something like that. And then if this happened, like this, it happened, we just need to make a case, or denuncia, we call it denuncia here, file a case for him, and if it is proved, and then we're gonna receive the in a Pugasa. But I heard from other colleagues that experienced that they will not receive what they really, the what is really your piniquito is less, plus you're gonna pay for the attorney or abogado, so it will less in your piniquito, but at least you will receive something. So if you work less, it's no point of denuncia. But in my case, I've been working there for nearly 9 years, so I still receive some, and it's still okay. So now, let's go back here. I'm making cuento. Wait. So, you know what? When this cool down a little bit, it will be thicker. So let's wait. Okay? Okay, melted chocolate here. But there's very gloomy. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. Yummy. See? I'm gonna spread it. And add a little bit more. It should be covered. It should be covered. You cannot see the. Okay, I think I need more. now. You cannot see anymore. Okay. Oh, it's only good for 2, this one. Okay. Okay. So I need to melt another one. You need to be very generous, yeah? Hang on, you can still see something. And then just remove the bubbles. Yeah, that's it. And I'm gonna show you when it's set up. It should be covered, the katapi, huh? Like that. Just remove the bubbles. So when it's set, it's nice. But anyway, it's not a big problem if there's a bubble because I'm gonna decorate this pistachio here on top. So it can be covered. Okay? And then I'm gonna finish that also. And that one there. Okay, so this is the finished product. I put some pistachio nuts on top of it. So I set this in the fridge and then I sprinkle it with some of the, it's okay, some are crushed pistachio and some whole, like that. The small one here. Bare festivities. So this is my Christmas gift for my family and friends here in Spain. How you like it? Comment in the description below. Which or what did you give for Christmas? So, here. This is Dubai Cheesecake with pistachio kataifi and chocolate ganache on top. Dubai Cheesecake. See how nice the presentation, huh? That's all for now. This is my gift, Dubai Cheesecake. Merry Christmas, everyone. Have a joyful, peaceful, and be happy this Christmas. Okay, bye-bye. Dubai Cheesecake. Gonna try it. Tastes good. Not really sweet.